My name is Aleksandra Jovanic. I'm artist and programmer from Belgrade, Serbia. At Art Basel, I'm exhibiting at Tezos Gallery. So I'm part of two-part exhibition at Tezos booth. First part contains pieces I've minted since August last year. And the second part is live minting experience where visitors can mint one of our NFTs. Even before NFTs, I've been doing coding in some sort of way in every of my pieces, but it wasn't the focus of my pieces. There was always some topic in some way, or there is some kind of interaction with the piece. Beginning of the last year, I was part of a huge project, and the focus was on generative art, and I decided to post online more of those things. Now I realize that not all platforms support interactive objects, so only the platforms that supported NFT objects that were interactive were on Tezos. So I started with Tezos, and this was my first choice. Since I've started, I only minted interactive pieces, so pieces that are code-based, and not that they are only code-based, but they change over the time. Every time you open the piece, you see something different, or even you can interact with the piece and get multiple outputs different from the ones that are shown as a preview image. Doing interactive internet art pieces, you either have choice to set up your own website and post that online in that way, and then try to reach audience in some way. So basically, for me, blockchain and all the platforms that are popping up allow me to reach wider audience, and also people interact with those pieces in a different way. I think maybe because when I'm exhibiting in a gallery on Summit, it's a public space, and there people aren't so eager to interact with pieces, but this is really something like a private experience, so we all approach art in a different way. So we are free to experiment with that in all different ways. Since I've started doing minting on FX Cash, I continued mostly minting on FX Cash. There were some projects that I've done in collaboration and did them on other platforms, but mostly people recognize me as an FX Cash artist. For me, Art Basel is mainly oriented to painting and traditional art, so I really like this moment where digital art is approaching mainstream art. Also, I've been with friends yesterday, today, going through the exhibitions, and we started looking like, where are screens, where are some digital stuff, we need more of those things. So it became a scavenger hunt, like looking for those pieces there. So how artists are approaching all new technology is a really interesting topic, because whenever we get a new medium where to publish our pieces, show off things we are doing, it happens we use them in the most traditional way. With NFTs, we're just at the beginning, I think, although the time flies by, and it's been more than a year that this hype started. There are a lot of painters minting images, so in that way I see some relation with it's not that long ago history, but also like we are at the beginning of exploring the medium. So if we talk about art on blockchain or blockchain art, or how are we using blockchain in our pieces, all possibilities, we haven't really explored all of that. There are little number of people using it all the way.